Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use dark mode in Pinterest application on an Android device. Well, some users simply prefer the look and feel of dark mode, finding it slicker or more visually appealing than the default light mode. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open please Pinterest application on your device. Okay, so in this page, you can click profile icon at the bottom. After that, you can select settings option. Okay, so here you can choose account management option. Well, and then select app theme. Lastly, click dark option. Okay, so now the dark mode is successfully applied. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use dark mode in Pinterest application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.